Welcome back. We continue to follow breaking news out of the Far East. A Boeing 777 is missing. They lost contact. Malaysian Airlines flight MH370 with 239 people on board vanished from radio and radar contact about 2 hours into its flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. We do not know what has happened to this aircraft.
We're covering breaking news tonight of an air disaster. The crash of Malaysia Airlines Flight 17, a commercial airliner which the U.S. says was shot out of the sky by a surface-to-air missile over Ukraine, with 295 people on board. Tonight, the investigation. Who's to blame? A field of wreckage in the middle of a war zone.
A Fox News alert and some new images. Twisted wreckage is apparently all that's left after a plane crash near Taiwan. We're told several dozen people were killed after the Trans-Asia plane went down.
Breaking news is that we have received word that the French fighter jets have now located the missing Algerian passenger plane in Mali. Unbelievable that we are seeing another passenger plane crash in such a short period.
Search and rescue operations have been halted for a day for the missing AirAsia flight QZ8501. The flight from the Indonesian city of Surabaya to Singapore lost contact with air traffic control at about 6:24 a.m.
It wasn't an accident, it was deliberate. The jaw-dropping announcement that the co-pilot of that German Wings Airbus purposely flew the plane along with 149 innocent people into a French mountainside has touched off a string of questions, starting with why on earth?